The financial sector is waking up to the digital revolution. New technologies and changing customer expectations means banks can't stay stuck in their old ways. They're going to have to make some fundamental changes or risk becoming less relevant.
So I think banks in particular need to figure out what is their role in the new landscape that's unfolding. That's the biggest challenge, business model change, making those decisions.
Big question marks over the branch, big question marks over how much more investment needs to go into mobile technology. The whole area around payments has been hugely disruptive with things like Apple Pay at the moment.
Here in the City of London, banking dates back to the 17th century, as the Bank of England behind me here can testify. Over 300 years of history and traditions which are now facing some very serious challenges. Global traditional banks are being weighed down by the stereotypical work roadblocks which slow decision making and put a brake on momentum to make change. These issues are being addressed, but when they're embedded in institutions, it's a slow process and it's expensive.
An awful lot of banks are still run in silos. So multiple people need to be engaged to make decisions. There's still some legacy processes and policies and behaviours that are probably more appropriate for a paper-based physical world, so that needs to change. But I think also culture.
The cultural roadblock is in some ways the biggest and the hardest to break down. And that's damaging in the long term as consumers want to see change.
I think at the consumer level, or certainly the outside-in level, not a lot seems to have changed, but actually the rudiments of what's going on in the industry has dramatically changed.
Financial services is in flux, that's a certainty. Banks now have to figure out how to position themselves amidst all the change. And they need to meet new, heightened customer expectations, because wherever there is challenge, there's opportunity.